solution. But first, I would like to make it clear that I shall not be resorting to any traditional campaigning strategy. Ano lang? Campaign. That's right. No resort to that at all. And now the solution. What do we have to generate income? First, our daily film industry. Our intelligent children who can't afford to finish schooling after college. Our cultural heritage sites, which we must protect alongside our natural heritages. Oh yes, how can I forget our endangered and endemic species, which must also keep in safety. All for fear decreasing the number of places come here. Now, with their many trades and assignments to watch